Good morning, students. I am Sheba Miss, your science teacher. Can you see me now? You can see me because you have eyes. Can you hear me? You can hear me because you have ears. Today, let us learn about our sense organs. We have five sense organs that are our eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, etc. are our sense organs. We can know the things around us because we have sense organs. Look here on the lesson. The five senses are, we have five senses to see. To see which sense organs we have the eyes help us to see. Then to hear what we have ears to hear. To smell what to smell we have nose. To taste what we have tongue. And to feel we have skin. Look at these pictures. You see the girl is smelling the perfume. She can smell the perfume because she has nose. Then what the picture shows? Here the boy is tasting ice cream because he has tongue. He can taste the ice cream. What the girl is doing here? Here the girl is enjoying the music because she has ears. Because she has ears, she can enjoy the music. We can hear with our ears. What the boy is doing here? He is watching the television because he has eyes to see the television. So he is enjoying it because he has eyes. Then what the girl is doing here? She is touching the rabbit. Thus she is feeling the smoothness. Rabbit's hair is too smooth. She can feel it with her skin because she has skin. With her hand she is feeling the softness. So our sense organs help us to see or to know what is happening around us. So we should be very careful about our sense organs. Eyes help us to see all the things around us. So we should protect our eyes properly. Let us see what we should, how we can take good care of our eyes. How we can take good care of our eyes? We can care our eyes by washing our eyes with cold water every day when we wake up. When you wake up from your bed, or after going or coming out, to our house, after going out, we should wash our eyes with cold water every day. Then if something fall in our eyes, do not rub our eyes. Not rubbing our eyes. We can wash our eyes instead of rubbing. Don't rub our eyes. Sometimes some scratches may happen on the soft or soft skin of our eyes. So do not rub our eyes. Then not sitting too close to the television while watching it. You should not sit too close to the television. So that intense light can damage your eyes. So do not sit too close to the television. Then not reading in poor light. In poor light is not good for reading. In bright light you can sit. Enough bright. The light must be enough for reading. Then not reading in a moving vehicle. When you travel in a car or bus, do not try to read. Then again, not reading while lying on the bed. You should sit properly. Then only you can read. Then not touching our eyes with dirty hands. If you happen to touch our eyes, we should wash our hands before that. Then these things you must obey. We must take care of our eyes properly. We cannot replace it. God gave us our eyes. We cannot make it our own. So we must be very careful about our eyes. Then you see what are the things you should do to take care of your ears. Ears help us to hear sound, and we must take good care of our ears. How we can take care of our ears? By cleaning our ears using soft clothes. Not using any sharp object to clean or scratch our ears. Scratch, the meaning is given here. Scratch, to rub the skin with something sharp in order to stop an itch. Itch എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ചൊറിയുക, ചെവിയുടെ അകം ചൊറിയോ അതുപോലെയൊക്കെ ചെയ്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ you can use only soft cloth or earbuds to scratch or to rub the skin. Do not use any sharp objects. Then again, covering our ears with scarf or some cotton when you go out in the cold. When you travel or if you are in a tour, in such cases you should cover our ears with scarf or some cotton. കോട്ടൺ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പഞ്ഞി കൊണ്ട് അടയ്ക്കുകയോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സ്കാർഫ് കെട്ടുകയോ ചെയ്യണം. ദെൻ വിയറിങ് എ സ്വിമ്മിങ് ക്യാപ്പ് ടു പ്രിവെൻറ്റ് വാട്ടർ ഫ്രം എൻറ്ററിങ് അവർ ഇയേഴ്സ് വൈൽ സ്വിമ്മിങ്. ഇഫ് യു go for swimming, you should use the swimming cap, or you can also use cotton instead of, if you didn't get that, you can use the cotton to cover our ears. So we must be careful about our sense organs, otherwise that may get damaged and we cannot hear or we cannot see properly. That may cause very severe difficulties, that can make many difficulties for us. So we must be very careful about our eyes, ears and other sense organs. Let us do this one. Choose the correct answer. We have 5 sense organs. We must not read in poor light. Dash help us to hear sound. Ears help us to hear sound. The next sense organ is nose. About it we can learn in the next lesson. Let us do some previous exercise here. Here one thing given here. Here the boy is watching the television. Do you think this is a healthy practice? Here let us read the question. Manu does not go out and play with his friends. He spent all his time watching TV, playing computer games or reading comics. Do you think this is a healthy practice? No. He should do the exercise to keep the correct posture, or to become healthy he should do exercise also. He is always playing computer game and watching TV and reading comics only. He is not doing any exercise. While he is doing all these things, he is not sitting in proper posture. So it is unhealthy. You should also, when you are at home, you should do proper exercise daily. Otherwise it will be unhealthy. Then here you see, match the part of the body to the clues. You look here, the part of the body between the top of the arm and neck. here, this is the top of the arm is here. Neck, this portion is known as shoulder. Shoulder is here. This is matching with the question. Look here, the next one. The part of the face below the mouth and above the neck. This is the chin. Chin, part of the face below the mouth and above the neck. Then the next question you see, the part of the body between the hand and the arm. Hand and arm, the portion is known as the wrist. Then the part of the body between the upper arm and lower parts of the arm. Lower the part of the arm where it bend in the middle. That part is known as the elbow. Thank you children for watching the class. Then all of you should read the textbook also, and in the next class you will have one test paper for the chapter 3, our body. You will have a test paper, chapter 3, our body. Thank you for watching.